Hi guys, welcome to another one. On this one, we'll be changing the rear shock absorber on a Suzuki S-presso. I got the shock absorber from Pro Car Parts, that's in Centurion for $9.50. If you guys know anywhere else to get it for cheaper, that's reliable, please let me know in the comments. On this one, we just needed a 17mm spanner and an adjustable wrench, aka bobeyan. Yeah, let's get to it. We're going to start out by taking these two clips out, just there and there. And then underneath, there's just a plastic cover for the shock mount that you'll need to take out that will reveal the shock. After that, we just go underneath the car with the 17mm spanner just to take out that one bolt. You don't even have to check the car or anything. After taking out that one bolt, we'll go back to the top side of the car to take out the other one. Back on top of the car, you're going to just need the bobeyan to hold the blue side as you use the spanner to take off the nut, and then the shock will go straight down. And just like that, you can pull the shock from the bottom of the car, and there you have it, a beautiful bouncing baby shock. And just like that, out with the old, in with the new. As you can see, the new shock doesn't have any oil leaks, looking much better than the old one. Next will be to put in the rubber mount. As you can see, the shock that we're taking out has a rubber mount on top of it. The new shock also comes with a new rubber mount. As you can see here, this is the new rubber mount. You just place it the same way it was placed on the existing shock, and then you'll be good to go. On the top side as well, you have a new nut, washer, and another rubber grommet. So we're just gonna start from the bottom and put back the shock with the spanner, and then we'll go back on top and finish off the job. Back on top, we're all done. We only changed the nut. The washer was still fine and the rubber grommet still seemed fine. The new one was too hard and too tall, so we kept the existing one. And just like that, guys, we're all done with changing the shock. All the best with changing yours, and I'll catch you on the next one.